Welcome to this video where we'll be exploring one of the most common issues faced by developers using SonarCloud. Why code coverage always shows as 0. If you're a developer who's been struggling with this problem, then this video is for you. In today's discussion, we'll dive into the possible reasons behind this issue and provide a step-by-step guide on how to resolve it. Code coverage is an essential metric in software development that measures the extent of code execution during testing. It helps developers identify areas of their code base that need more attention and ensures that the code is working as expected. SonarCloud, being one of the leading platforms for continuous inspection, provides a comprehensive view of your code's health, including code coverage. However, many developers have reported seeing 0 code coverage despite writing extensive unit tests and integration tests. This can be frustrating, especially when you're relying on accurate metrics to make informed decisions about your codebase. So, let's get started and explore the possible reasons behind this issue. The first reason why SonarCloud might show 0 code coverage is due to misconfiguration of the test settings. When setting up SonarCloud for the first time, it's essential to configure the test settings correctly. This includes specifying the correct test frameworks, libraries, and directories where your tests are located. Imagine you're building a house and you've forgotten to lay the foundation. The entire structure will collapse, no matter how beautiful the walls and roof might be. Similarly, if the test settings are not configured correctly, SonarCloud won't be able to collect accurate code coverage metrics, resulting in 0 coverage. Another reason could be that your tests are not actually executing the code you think they are. This can happen when you're using mock objects or stubs to isolate dependencies in your test. While mocking is a good practice, it's essential to ensure that the mocks are not interfering with the actual execution of your code. Think of it like this. Imagine you're trying to measure the distance between 2 points on a map. If you're using a fake map that only shows half the route, your measurements will be inaccurate. Similarly, if your tests are not actually executing the code, SonarCloud won't be able to collect accurate coverage metrics. Lastly, it's possible that there's an issue with the Jacoco agent configuration. The Jacoco agent is responsible for collecting code coverage data during test execution. If the agent is not configured correctly, or if there are issues with the Java version being used, SonarCloud might show 0 code coverage. In summary, the 3 main reasons why SonarCloud might show 0 code coverage are: 1. Misconfiguration of test settings. 2. Tests not actually executing the code due to mocking or stubbing. 3. Issues with Jacoco agent configuration. To resolve this issue, it's essential to review your test configurations, ensure that your tests are actually executing the code, and verify that the Jacoco agent is configured correctly. That's all for today's video. We hope you now have a better understanding of why SonarCloud might show 0 code coverage and how to resolve this issue. If you are still facing problems or have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informative content on software development. We'd love to hear from you. What are some common issues you've faced with SonarCloud or code coverage? Share your experiences in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you all in the next video.